HoloTile, a groundbreaking technology that lets people walk in any direction on an omnidirectional floor. Showcased at D23, the ultimate Disney fan event, this innovative system uses hundreds of small, tile-like discs that move in sync to create the illusion of walking through a virtual environment. Inducted into the National Inventor Hall of Fame, Smoot sees HoloTile as a significant advancement in virtual reality, allowing users to physically navigate digital spaces without being confined to one area. This technology has the potential to transform VR, making it more immersive and accessible for everyone. The Bentley UltraTank is an extraordinary combination of luxury and power, transforming the classic Bentley Continental GT into a military-grade vehicle. Designed by two brothers, it blends Bentley's elegance with the strength of an armored tank. Instead of traditional wheels, it uses tank-like tracks, making it capable of handling any terrain, from rugged off-roads to urban streets. Under the hood, it retains the Continental GT's 6.0-liter W12 engine, delivering 626 horsepower for thrilling performance. This powerful machine seats two passengers in the lavish comfort you'd expect from Bentley. While its price is kept exclusive, it's expected to be a multi-million-dollar investment due to its unmatched craftsmanship. Whether you're after ultimate luxury, off-road prowess, or simply an awe-inspiring vehicle, the Bentley UltraTank offers a whole new level of automotive innovation. The Brumby 121 is a compact, high-quality camper trailer built for outdoor adventures. Its ergonomic design makes it easy to tow single-handedly, cutting down on fuel costs, and you'll barely notice it's behind you. With quick setup and pack-up times, you'll have more time to explore and less time on preparation. This plug-and-play camper trailer takes the stress out of planning your trip. The Brumby 121 offers ample storage space, featuring secure, lockable compartments for all your gear. Its kitchen is fully equipped with plenty of storage and workspace for all your cooking needs. The Brumby 121 is the ideal choice for those looking for convenience and extra space during their camping adventures. Quality Coachworks takes on challenging car projects, from hearses to limousines. One of their creations is an armored electric car based on the Ford Mustang Mach-E GT, blending comfort with enhanced safety. This car features armored glass and Kevlar, offering B4-level protection. It can resist impacts from stones, baseball bats, and even .44 caliber revolvers. To ensure mobility in tough situations, the tires are equipped with run-flat technology, enabling the vehicle to drive even after a puncture or complete pressure loss. With these advanced safety features, the car provides a secure and comfortable experience for both the driver and passengers. Ammonia GenCell. Ammonia is emerging as a leading clean energy solution, with companies like GenCell pioneering fuel cell technology that uses ammonia as a zero-carbon fuel source. Unlike traditional fuels, ammonia only produces nitrogen and water when converted into energy, making it eco-friendly. It also has a high energy density and is easier to store and transport compared to hydrogen gas. By utilizing the existing agricultural infrastructure, ammonia could soon power off-grid facilities and large-scale transportation, offering a practical, sustainable alternative. This transition could significantly reduce global carbon emissions. As advancements continue, ammonia is poised to play a transformative role in the global shift to greener energy. Mars 16X. The Mars 16X is a versatile, off-road electric vehicle designed for tough outdoor adventures. It blends powerful performance with advanced technology, effortlessly tackling rough terrains while being eco-friendly with electric propulsion. Its sturdy chassis, high ground clearance, and advanced suspension system enable it to navigate rocky trails and desert dunes. With a high-capacity battery, the Mars 16X delivers impressive range and torque, making it ideal for long off-road expeditions. It also features modern comforts, including a spacious cabin, digital displays, and smart connectivity, providing both convenience and performance. Perfect for those seeking a powerful, sustainable option for off-road exploration, The Mars 16X offers the excitement of adventure with zero emissions. The Air Yacht V2 is an extraordinary combination of luxury and innovation, offering an unparalleled flying experience. This sleek airship merges the design of both an aircraft and a yacht to provide maximum comfort and freedom for passengers. Accommodating up to 12 people, it's an ideal choice for those seeking an opulent private getaway in the sky. With a range of up to 2,000 nautical miles, the Air Yacht V2 enables long journeys without the need for frequent stops. Designed for both relaxation and adventure, it blends the refined elegance of a yacht with the thrill of flight, offering a completely new way to travel. While its price remains largely undisclosed, it is expected to be a high-end investment catering to the world's elite, offering a truly exclusive experience. The Air Yacht V2 is setting new standards for luxury air travel. Airspace Cabin Vision 20 and 35. By 2035, air travel will remain a key way to connect people globally, offering unmatched opportunities for exploration. However, rising concerns about its environmental impact demand action. Airbus has introduced the Airspace Cabin Vision 2035, an initiative designed to make airline cabins more eco-friendly. This vision incorporates advancements in digital technology, innovative materials, and enhanced services to minimize aviation's environmental footprint. The plan outlines clear steps to ensure air travel becomes more sustainable while still prioritizing passenger comfort and convenience. It aims to create a future of flying that is both environmentally responsible and accessible for generations to come. The AI Trail Quattro by Audi is a modern, electric off-road car made for adventure enthusiasts who want to explore tough terrains in an eco-friendly way. It combines advanced technology with sustainability, offering a driving range of up to 400 miles on regular roads and 155 miles off-road. Its design includes wide panoramic glass, giving passengers a great outdoor view. One unique feature is its drone lighting system, which replaces standard headlights. While the price hasn't been revealed, the cutting-edge technology suggests it will be on the higher side. Audi has tackled issues like battery life and off-road performance by adding adaptive features and tough materials. As these technologies evolve, the AI Trail Quattro aims to deliver a fun, eco-friendly off-road experience, mixing style, comfort, and sustainability for outdoor adventurers. AirSmart Energy Efficiency. AirSmart, developed by Arwind, is an advanced system designed to optimize the efficiency of industrial compressed air systems. Using cutting-edge technology, it reduces energy consumption while ensuring continuous production. The result is significant energy savings and a reduction in CO2 emissions. As a sustainable and cost-effective solution, AirSmart helps industries improve their environmental impact and operational efficiency. By effectively managing energy use, it not only supports a greener planet, but also offers substantial cost savings. This innovation in industrial energy management shows how modern technology can drive both sustainability and efficiency, setting a new standard for eco-friendly industrial operations. 2001 Freightliner Classic has been fully customized by one of Florida's top teams. The interior now boasts black and red accents, giving it a sleek, modern look, while leather-trimmed seats add a touch of luxury. But the upgrades go beyond just the interior. The custom team is also working on enhancing the truck's complex wiring system, which in modern vehicles can extend for miles. On top of that, the Freightliner Classic will feature several custom-made, handmade elements, ensuring that it stands out even more. These improvements will not only make the truck look incredible, but also enhance its overall performance, turning it into a unique, high-performance vehicle. With attention to detail and a focus on both style and function, this custom Freightliner Classic is sure to turn heads and impress wherever it goes. One morning, Les had a close call when a pickup truck without a tailgate, filled with paint cans, appeared in front of him. It seemed like something from a Final Destination movie. As the truck hit a bump, one of the cans tipped over, becoming a 19-liter projectile flying straight toward Les. The only reason it didn't hit him was that he quickly swerved his vehicle to avoid both the can and a potential collision with other cars. This frightening experience left a lasting impact on Les and inspired him to co-found Bedlock Cargo Solutions. Bedlock Cargo Solutions was created to provide a safer, more secure way to transport cargo in pickup trucks. The system consists of special plates that cover the truck bed, with spaces of 30.5 or 45.7 centimeters, designed to keep cargo secure. This innovative design prevents items from shifting or falling out during transport, reducing the risk of accidents. Bedlock Cargo Solutions offers a reliable and practical solution for anyone looking to haul cargo safely. With a starting price of $500, this system provides peace of mind for drivers transporting goods in their pickup trucks. The City Transformer CT2 is an innovative electric microcar designed to revolutionize city driving. This small two-seater is highly maneuverable, making it easy to navigate narrow streets and park in tight spots. Its unique ability to change width adds extra practicality in crowded urban areas. The CT2 features a sleek, modern design and offers a smooth, eco-friendly ride with zero emissions. It's ideal for commuting or running errands, making it a great choice for city dwellers who care about the environment. Priced at about $16,000, it's an affordable way to adopt eco-friendly transportation without compromising on style or convenience. The CT2 shows us what the future of city mobility could look like. The TingerTrack 2 is a reliable all-terrain vehicle designed to tackle the toughest conditions with ease. With a 57 horsepower four-stroke engine, it delivers outstanding performance on challenging terrains such as dense forests, snowy trails, and swampy areas. Its advanced track system provides excellent traction and stability, enabling it to navigate obstacles that other vehicles cannot. At 9.8 feet long and 4.3 feet wide, the TingerTrack 2 is compact yet spacious enough to comfortably seat 4 passengers. Its lightweight yet durable polyethylene body, combined with high ground clearance and an advanced suspension system, enhances its off-road capabilities. Priced at approximately $20,000, this vehicle offers a perfect balance of innovation and power, making it an ideal choice for off-road enthusiasts and professionals seeking dependable utility. Brabus Big Boy 1200. Brabus Tuning Studio has introduced its largest and heaviest motorhome ever, called the Big Boy 1200. This massive vehicle measures 12 meters long and weighs 26 tons. Its name honors the American steam locomotives of the 1940s, which were the biggest mass-produced trains, stretching over 40.5 meters. Although smaller than its locomotive inspiration, the Big Boy 1200 is still remarkable. It offers 30 square meters of living space and features a 47-inch TV, bigger than the one in their previous model, making it perfect for gaming with the included PlayStation 5. Other amenities include a 6.4 kilowatt diesel generator, a beer fridge, and a Starlink antenna for internet. The motorhome is built on the Mercedes-Benz Actros truck platform and powered by a 6-cylinder turbo diesel engine producing 530 horsepower. Despite its strength, its top speed is limited to 90 kilometers per hour, but who needs speed when driving such a luxurious and comfortable vehicle? Smart cities are changing how we live in urban areas by using advanced technologies to improve everyday life. They rely on data and digital tools to make public services better, reduce traffic jams, and support sustainability. These cities use devices connected through the Internet of Things, IoT, AI-powered traffic systems, and smart energy networks to save resources, boost safety, and share real-time updates with people. This technology not only makes cities run more smoothly, but also creates healthier, greener, and more enjoyable places to live. The main goal is to meet the needs of residents while building a stronger sense of community and improving overall well-being. The Climb E is an innovative concept electric vehicle that reimagines urban mobility. Designed by IT Design, this futuristic car elevates personal transport with its unique design and functionality. The Climb-E offers a compact door-to-door transport system that accommodates 2 passengers, making it perfect for city dwellers who need a flexible and efficient way to navigate tight spaces. Powered by an electric motor, the Climb-E provides a range of approximately 120 miles on a single charge, making it ideal for short commutes. With a top speed of 40 miles per hour, it's tailored for city driving, delivering a smooth, quiet ride while reducing carbon emissions. Though still a concept, the Climb-E is projected to be an affordable solution for future city transport, with an estimated price of around $225,000. This vehicle offers an exciting glimpse into the future of green urban mobility. The Tao Motor Jeep 125cc is a rugged and versatile off-road vehicle designed for adventure enthusiasts. Despite its compact size, this powerful Jeep is equipped with a 125cc air-cooled 4-stroke engine, ensuring reliable performance and enough power to conquer various terrains. Built to endure tough conditions, it features durable construction and a robust suspension system for a smooth, comfortable ride. Its automatic transmission makes it user-friendly for riders of all experience levels. Styled like a classic Jeep, this vehicle comes with functional headlights, a roomy seat, and durable tires, blending practical functionality with eye-catching design. Ideal for outdoor exploration, it's perfectly suited for tackling challenging trails or enjoying casual off-road rides. The Tao Motor Jeep 125cc promises a thrilling and reliable off-road experience, offering adventure seekers the perfect combination of fun, durability, and freedom to explore nature's wonders.